Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the VIVO X200 SE. Okay, so let's begin. So I just downloaded WhatsApp to show you how to do it, but before that let's open up the settings and let's make sure that under the Google options, when we scroll down in the settings, we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. It is really important because there's a chance that if you are not logged in, you won't have a possibility to restore your chats, so you need to have that in mind. Okay, so now let's open up our WhatsApp. Just as you can see, we are in the setup process of our WhatsApp. Let's select our language, then click on next, and now let's click on agree and continue. In here, let's click on allow, and now in this bar we need to type the phone number of ours. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click right in here and it will be automatically copied. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to type my password, then click on next. Now we need to also verify. Okay, then select your verification method. And when you do everything properly, okay, you'll have something like that. Contacts and media. In here we need to click on continue. In here we need to click on allow for everything. And now we have option to restore our chats. You can see the date on which the last backup was made. It's right in here. Next to it we can see the hour and the size of it. And you can also see that the account on which I made the backup is the same account on which I am logged in currently in the settings of my device. So everything is correct. Now click on restore, this green button, and remember that if you don't do it right now, you won't have a possibility to do it later, so you should do this right now. You can see that 12 messages has been restored. Now click on next. In here under the profile info, simply type your name. Also you can click that green plus button to change your profile photo. Then click on next. And you can see that the messages, including the photos and the videos, has been successfully restored into our WhatsApp. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.